the way I look at this is I like looking at the inflation data for as far as what's going on with the US and also with Canada. Obviously, US and Canada really follow each other because the central banks of Canada really kind of follow what the US is doing. If you look at the US inflation data, it looks like they've gone down quite a bit from where it was at really mid last year. It's gone down from 9%, something to above 5% right now. If you look at Canada, Canada seems to be doing the exact same thing as well. It looks like our inflation rate went down from a high of around 8%. Now it's below 5% as well, hovering around 4.3%. And the way the bond market is playing this right now, if you look at what's going on with this, the SOFR, which is the 3-month futures, those guys, the way they're betting is that they're guesstimating that interest rates will be for the short-term rates sometime towards December of this year. They will be hovering around 4.3% approximately. And if you look at what they're anticipating for us to be happening for December of next year, they're anticipating that interest rates will be something in the range of around 3%. So obviously that makes a huge difference for real estate investors, because if you look at what's going on with real estate investors, as a real estate investor is borrowing, let's say, hypothetically speaking, a property that's got a net income of $100,000 at a rate of ballpark, let's say where it's at today, CMHC insured at 4.5%. The borrower is getting approximately 1,360,000, and the same borrower with the same net income around 3.5%, they'd be getting a loan around 1.5, 1.550. So that means that they'd be getting borrowing around 40% more as the interest rates go lower. So the way to kind of avoid being like this at the mercy of the banks, because it's really to focus on the net. The net really is the key, because as our property net income goes higher, then we can actually borrow a lot more. So the more this number goes higher, the more we can borrow as a borrower, regardless of what is going on with the interest rates.